So now we're looking for a Telegram node to start this off. So let's head over to our tray of nodes, and I'm just going to type in, if I can remember how to type, Telegram. And we're faced here with a bunch of different nodes. Now, we don't want an action node. This is triggering automation. So we're after a trigger node. So if I drop this down, here we've got a trigger node, trigger on message. When incoming message comes in, we want to trigger this workflow. So let's grab hold of that and let's drag it into the right place, and we'll connect that up. All right. Nice and easy. We know how to do that already. Let's click into this, and now we can see how to work with it. Now we need a credential. We need a credential in order to be able to use this Telegram account. So we're going to go through that. I have some credentials already set up because I do have a live version of this already running, but let's start from scratch. Let's go ahead and create a new credential. And here, if I don't know how to do it, we can open Docs. And here's the documentation. Now we need to set up our Telegram credentials so we can use it with n8n. So there it is, prerequisites, create a Telegram account. All right. And now we need to head over and create a bot on there. So to generate your access token, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go over to Telegram and we're going to start a chat with BotFather. I'm going to go over to my Telegram. All right, and it's a little bit off screen at the moment, but I'm just using my search and I'm searching for BotFather, and I found BotFather. There it is. And I'm talking to BotFather here. Just do a search for BotFather and it'll come up. I'm going to type in here new bot and we hit enter. All right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. You can call it anything you want. I'm going to call it the weather guy. Well, we'll eventually get there. All right, that's the name of my bot. Good news. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot. So I'm actually just going to take the same name. Now it may be taken by somebody else. So let's just see if that works. I'm not sure if we're allowed spaces. Let's see what happens. The weather guy bot. Notice it must end in bot. So, in fact, I can see it probably does not like spaces. So I'm going to put underscores in this just to make up with that. And let's see if that's available. If not, we'll have to try again. Done. Congratulations on your new bot. And most importantly, here we have a set of credentials. So I'm going to copy those credentials and I'm going to pop in my credentials. And let's rename these credentials as well so we can recognize them. I'm going to call them the weather guy bot. All right, there it is. Save. Connection tested successfully. It looks like we're in business, folks. I hope that step made sense to you. Go and get that. That's sorted out. But let's go and test where this is actually working. We want to get some data coming in here. So I'm going to click test setup here. And what's going to happen there is that this n8n is going to start listening for a message. So we want to talk to, here it is. Done. Congratulations, new bot. You will find me here. So I'm just going to click on this link. That's the bot it's created. I click on that. Great. I'm now chatting to that bot. So I'm going to click start. And now I'm ready to put a message into this, into the weather guy bot. So let's go back over to n8n. So I'm going to go test setup and it's busy listening. So I'm going to go back to Telegram. I'm just going to type in hello and hit enter. I'm going to come back to n8n. And there you can see data came in. So there we go. We've got one item coming in. So we need to get a response. Are you with me? We've got Telegram incoming message. We're getting a response. And now we need to send that back to Telegram. So I'm going to add in another Telegram node. And in this case, it's going to be an action. We want it to do something. So what do we want it to do? We want it to send a message. Let's see here if we can find, there we go, send a text message. So I'm going to add that there. It's connected itself already. Let's go in here. Let's choose our credential. We're using the weather guy bot that we just created. And now we need something called a chat ID, and we need a text message to send back. So the chat ID, every chat that is initiated has its own ID. So we need to know what that ID is so we can send the response back into the correct chat. So to do that, I can just open this. I go all the way back to my Telegram trigger node, And here's my chat. There's my chat ID. So I'm just going to drag that in. So it's going to send data back to it. Now, it's not giving me the actual response. It's grayed out because I haven't run the previous nodes yet. We haven't done that step yet. But it's going to pull in the correct chat ID when this runs, and it's going to send a reply back to Telegram. Now,